was excellent.
Good, nice one.
It was lovely.
Did you enjoy?
One of my first few theatre shows and this was amazing.
Show?
Yeah, nice.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
ये और पहले से ही अमृता प्रीतम सौरभ इनके बारे में तो क्यूरियोसिटी थी ही।
अच्छा, जानना था।
देखना था तो हम तो पिपले सौदागर से आए हैं।
Oh, great. Hi.
पिपले सौदागर।
How was it?
It was nice.
हाँ. How was the show?
Very nice. It was
Very
very
nice.
entertaining.
Okay.
दोनों episodes अच्छे थे.
Thank you.
It was awesome.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Sir?
It was great. Hi, I am Shubham. I really loved the play and जो कहानी थी ये बहुत अच्छी लगी and all the best to the team.
तो बहुत सुंदर ड्रामा लगा।
Definitely हमारे हर
It was so nice. The acting, the direction, everything. The acting, it felt so real.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, a lot.
Show was really good. The acting was really nice.
Thank you.
Loved the set and everything.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come again.
It felt everything.
Did
that
you
we were
enjoy?
trying to convey.
हाँ,